Good morning, my dear students and my dear friends. This is Sudhir and welcomes you all on today's class. And today we are going to start a new topic, that is addition. Okay, what is the name of new topic? Addition. Okay, so first of all, we will understand about some facts about the addition, and then we will proceed towards the properties of addition. And dear students, we have already learned these properties in standard 3rd, standard 4th. Okay, the same properties are in standard 5th. Okay, ये जो standard 5th में भी ये same properties है. Okay, that means we have to learn the facts about the addition and the properties of addition in this video. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Okay, so first of all, let's understand about the addition. Okay, so first of all, we have to read the sentence. What is written here? Each of the numbers to be added is called as the addends, and the result of addition is called sum. Okay, dear students, suppose we have two numbers. How many numbers we have? Two numbers we have. Okay, so I have two numbers here. The first is 253 and the second number is 212. Okay, whatever, we can take any two numbers. So मैंने ये दो number ले लिए. Suppose, okay, so we have the two numbers. Now suppose we are adding this. What we are doing? We are adding these two numbers. So what will happen? After the addition, we will get the answer. है ना? So जब हम दोनों को plus कर देंगे, so we will get the answer of the addition. Now the name is given to the answer of addition. What I'm saying to you, when you will add the two numbers, it is your ones place, this is your tens, this is your hundred. Okay, so when you will add the numbers, we have to start addition from right hand side, your right hand side. That means from the ones place. 3 times ones plus 2 times ones gives us 5 times ones. Then let's move towards the tens place. 5 times tens plus 1 times tens gives us 6 times tens. And the 2 times 100, again 2 times 100 is equal to the 4 times 100. So when you will add the two numbers 253 and 212, we will get the answer to 465. So dear students, the name is given to the answer of addition. Answer, किसका answer? Addition के answer को नाम है. What is that name? The name is sum. That means we can say that 465 is the sum of 253 and 212. Okay, I hope you understand. And the two numbers that you are adding, okay, and the two numbers you are adding, that is called as addends. देखो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, वो दो नंबर्स या दो से ज्यादा भी नंबर्स हो सकते हैं जिन नंबर्स को आप लोग ऐड कर रहे हो. The name is given to the numbers, that is called as addends. That means what? Here I have taken two numbers, so these two numbers are addends. Okay, these two numbers are called as addends. A-D-D-E-N-D-S. Okay, that means when you will add the addends, you will get the sum. What I'm saying, when you will add the addends, you will get the sum. Okay, it is not necessary that there is two numbers. It may be more than two numbers. हो सकता है ऐसा हो 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3. Whatever the answer is came, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, so this 11 is what? 11 is the result of addition. Yes, so 11 is a sum of 1, 2, 5 and 3. वो चारों का sum है. ठीक है, that is a sum. And these four numbers that you are adding, it is called as addends. ये चारों के चारों क्या हो गए? Addends हो गए. Okay, I hope you understand about it. Okay, let me raise it. Okay, now let's move towards the properties of addition. Now we will move towards the properties of addition. So basically we have four properties, and you have already learned about the properties. And so let's move towards the first property, and the first property is order property. Which property? Order property. Okay, so ये word जो है order हमने कहीं सुना है. Yes, we have here that word, ascending and descending order. Yes, that means what? It is related to the position of numbers. Yes, it is related with position of numbers. So dear students, let's move towards the properties of addition. Now the first property is order property. Which property? Order property. And the order property is saying that what is the property? Numbers can be added in any order. their sum will remain same. What is that? Numbers can be added in any order, their sum will remain same. And you can write in this way also. Changing the order of the two addends does not change the sum. Okay? Okay, everyone. So these, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं ऐसा ही लिखो आप. You can write in your own way. Okay? It is so simple. Suppose you have a two numbers you have. अभी हम लोग simple से example लेते हैं. I'm taking the example 2 and 3. Okay? It is best example. Okay, we have the two numbers 3 and 2. So what is that? When you will add the two numbers, you will get the sum. What I'm saying, when you will add these two numbers, you will get the sum. And these two numbers that you are adding, the two numbers you are adding, that is called as addends. वो क्या है? Addends है ना? Addends है? Yes, this is addends. So, what the property, first property is saying, what is the exact meaning of ordered property? Ordered property is related with the position of numbers. That means what? If you are changing the order of number, sum will remain same. What does it mean? It means that आप 2 में 3 को प्लस करो चाहे 3 में 2 को प्लस करो, you will get the same answer. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 2 plus 3 is also 5. Okay? Or 1 plus 2 is 3 or 2 plus 1 is also 3. That means what? We can change the order of numbers. एडिशन करते वक्त आप नंबर्स को इधर उधर कर सकते हो, आपके आंसर को कोई प्रॉब्लम, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. ओके, what does it mean? Numbers can be added in any order. कैसा भी ऑर्डर हो, whether it is written in ascending order, whether it is written in descending order or any order, कैसा भी ऑर्डर हो, उल्टा पुल्टा लिखा हुआ हो तो भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. That is order property. Okay, the example is here. Okay, यहाँ नीचे जगह नहीं थी, that's why I have written here 2 plus 5 is equal to the 5 plus 2, that is equal to 7. Whether if you are adding 2 in 5 or 5 is added in 2, you will get the same answer, which is 7. अब 5 में 2 को प्लस करो चाहे 2 को 5 में प्लस करो, you will get the same answer. Okay, so this is a first property of addition. I hope you understand. Okay, so now let's move towards the second property. Okay, and the name is given to the second property, that is the additive identity. ध्यान से सुनो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं, ऐसा बुक में है या नहीं मुझे नहीं पता, but the name is additive identity. Okay, सिर्फ नाम दे दिया गया है, but it is same, and I think you have already learned this. Okay, or the name is one more name is property of zero. Property of zero. Okay, property of zero. So what is the property? And the property is saying that the sum of 0 and any number is number itself. Yes, we have already learned. If you are adding 0 in any number, अरे किसी भी नंबर में 0 को ऐड करोगे, what will happen? You will get the same number. 5 में 0 प्लस करो 5 आ जाएगा, 7 में 0 प्लस करो 7 आ जाएगा, 7 में 0 प्लस करो तो 7 आएगा, 0 में 7 प्लस करोगे then again you will get 7. That means what is happening here? Order property is holds. Okay, order property तो hold हो रही है, but why it is written additive identity? Why the name is given additive identity? I'm telling you. Wait. First of all, listen. What is the property of zero? The property of zero and the additive identity both is same. देखो किसी बुक में additive identity लिखा है and in some book it is property of zero. Both are same thing. Don't be confused. Okay. And the property of zero or the additive identity is when you are adding the two numbers, that means the first number is 0 and the second is any number. When you will add the number, any number with 0, okay, any number and 0, you will get the number itself. It is simple example. I'm taking 15 plus 0 is 15. Okay, 15 plus 0 is 15 now. This is the property of 0. Property of 0 क्या है? 0 को किसी भी नंबर में ऐड करोगे तो वही नंबर आपको सम में आ जाएगा. The sum will be the sum of 0. Sum क्या रहेगा? 0 and any number का, that number itself. Okay, number itself. वही नंबर आपके सम में आ जाएगा. Okay, so I hope you understand. Now the question arises that why it is called as additive identity. अब ये identity कहां से टपक पड़ा नया नाम? Wait, I'm telling you. Okay, what is mean by identity? क्या होता है identity का meaning? Identity का मतलब सिंपल आम भाषा में पहचान होती है. पहचान, recognition. Yes, if आप मुझे पहचान लोगे ना, Yes, that is पहचान. Okay, so what is happening here? Look everyone here. Which number it is? It is 15. Which number it is? It is 15. Which number it is? कौन सा नंबर है? अरे बोलते क्यों नहीं? हाँ 15. Yes, this is 15. So after the performing addition करने के बावजूद नंबर वैसा का वैसा खड़ा है. Means what here? What is happening here? वी आर डूइंग एडिशन कर रहे हैं, फिर भी आइडेंटिटी चेंज नहीं हुई. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? 15 इज स्टिल 15 आफ्टर एडिशन करने के बाद भी 15 का 15 ही है. दैट मीन्स पहचान यानी कि आइडेंटिटी चेंज नहीं हो रही है. सो आफ्टर द एडिशन the identity of number is not changing, and that's why the name is additive identity. After the additive after the addition the identity is as it is, जैसे कि वैसी है. okay, 15 is changed? No, it is still 15 after the addition. okay, so the identity element is 0. क्या है? the identity element is 0. एलिमेंट का मतलब सिंपल है, इट इज नंबर हियर. ओके, तो आप आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट क्या है? 0 है. अब ध्यान दो, वेट अ मिनट, इट इज विजिबल इन कैमरा. यस, इट इज विजिबल इन कैमरा. ओके, लिसन केयरफुली हियर. मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूं, ठीक है. एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी जो है वो 0 है. सब्ट्रैक्टिव आइडेंटिटी भी 0 है. व्हाई? बिकॉज इफ यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 0 फ्रॉम एनी नंबर, द डिफरेंस इज नंबर इटसेल्फ. अगर आप किसी नंबर में से 0 माइनस करोगे तो वही नंबर फिर से डिफरेंस में आ जाएगा. आफ्टर दी सब्ट्रैक्शन होने के बाद भी नंबर जैसे का वैसा, आइडेंटिटी इज नॉट चेंजिंग. ओके, सो द एडिटिव एलिमेंट एंड द सब्ट्रैक्टिव एलिमेंट इज 0. एडिशन का एलिमेंट, एडिटिव एलिमेंट एंड सब्ट्रैक्टिव एलिमेंट बोथ आर 0. अगर किसी भी नंबर में 0 को ऐड करोगे या सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे, यू विल गेट द नंबर इटसेल्फ. आंसर में वही का वही नंबर वापस आ जाएगा. गॉट इट? आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, नाउ आई एम टेलिंग यू अबाउट द मल्टीप्लीकेशन एंड डिविजन. ठीक है, जिसका डिविजन नहीं हुआ है प्लीज डोंट बी कंफ्यूज्ड. आपको नहीं सुन, यू हैव टू इग्नोर. ओके ओके, लिसन. सो multiplicative identity, what I said, multiplicative identity. okay, now what is a multiplicative identity? सुनो, हाँ, multiplicative identity. okay, अब ये क्या चीज है? यहां क्या हो रहा है? एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन करने के बाद हमारा नंबर चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. एंड मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी मतलब मल्टीप्लिकेशन होने के बाद भी नंबर चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद भी नंबर चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. सो ऐसा कोई देयर इज एनी नंबर, ऐसा कोई नंबर है जिसके साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन होने पर भी हमारा आंसर वैसा का वैसा आता है? यस, देयर इज अ वन नंबर एंड दैट नंबर इज 1. इफ यू विल मल्टीप्लाई एनी नंबर विथ 1, you will get the number itself. Product is number itself. What is product? Product is the answer of multiplication. Multiplication करने के बाद जो आंसर आता है, that is called as product. Here there is sum, है ना? आंसर प्लस करने के बाद जो आंसर आया था, that is called as sum. So the answer of multiplication is called as product. okay, so 1 एक ऐसा नंबर है जिससे मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद you will get the number itself as a product. okay, वही नंबर वापस मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आ जाएगा. so the multiplicative identity is 1. ठीक है, एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन में आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट 0 है, बट मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन में 1 है. why? because if you will multiply by 1, you will get the number itself. एंड इफ यू आर डिवाइडिंग बाय 1, अगर किसी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड कर दिया, इफ यू आर डिवाइडिंग एनी नंबर बाय 1, यू विल गेट द नंबर इटसेल्फ एज अ कोशेंट. कोशेंट में फिर से वही का वही नंबर आ जाएगा. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? वी आर परफॉर्मिंग द मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन. हम लोग एडिशन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिविजन, सब्ट्रैक्शन कुछ तो भी कर रहे हैं, स्टिल द आंसर इज सेम. करने है ना, हमने ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म किया, वेदर व्हाटएवर इट इज, एडिशन हो, सब्ट्रैक्शन हो, मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो, डिवीजन हो, उस एलिमेंट, वो नंबर ऐसा नंबर है जिसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद वही नंबर वापस आ रहा है और डिवाइड करने पर भी वही नंबर वापस आ रहा है. एडिशन में 0 है, सब्ट्रैक्शन में 0 है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में 1 है और डिवाइड में 1 है. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. इट इज सो सिंपल. मैं इसको सम अप कर देता हूं. The multiplicative and division वाले identity, multiplicative identity and the division identity is 1 and the subtractive and the additive identity is 0. Done. Okay. Okay, I hope you understand. Now let's move towards the third property. Okay. Hello everyone. I'm audible? Yes. Okay. So let's move towards the third property of addition. Yes, my dear students, let's move towards the third property of addition. And the third property of addition is associative property. Which property? Associative property. The another name is given to the associative property, that is a grouping property. Okay, grouping property. अब यहाँ पे group बना के आएंगे. अच्छा, group बना के आओगे, ठीक है. Let's see what is written. Changing the way in which we group the addends do not change the sum. Oh, sorry, does not change the sum. Okay, what is that? Changing the way in which we group the addends does not change the sum. That means we can say that if there is a 3 numbers, आप 3 नंबर का एडिशन कर रहे हो एंड यू आर चेंजिंग द पोजीशन ऑफ नंबर्स. वो 3 का ग्रुप था, उधर उधर पूरा हम लोगों ने इधर उधर कर दिया, तो भी क्या होगा? Nothing. Sum will be as it is. You can see here 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Now I am changing the position of these 3 numbers. Okay, मैं इसका order change कर रहा हूँ. I have written 3 here, 1 is here and 2 is here. Still the answer is 6. फिर से 6 आ गया. Again 3 plus 1 plus 2. Again it is 6. Means what? The sum of 3 or more number is still same. If you are changing the position of that numbers. पूरे numbers का आपने position इधर उधर भी कर दिया, then you will get the same answer. Then also you are getting the same answer. That is the grouping property. That means if the group is changed, भैया group बना था ना पहले. First of all, I have added 1 and 2. Then I have added 3. पहले 1 और 2 को add किया, फिर 3 को add किया. Then I am getting 6. But now I change the way. फिर मैंने group change कर दिया. I have added 2 and 3. First of all, I added the 2 and 3. Then I add 1. इन दोनों को add करने के बाद फिर 1 को लाया, फिर भी 6 आ गया. Means what? I am changing the addend group of addends. Still the answer is same. फिर से आंसर टपक गया 6. हाँ, so what is happening here? It is a order property. ये एक order property ही है, but here the only one change is the numbers are 2 or more. Okay, that means the numbers are 3 or more numbers. Okay, that means grouping property. Okay, okay. So I hope you understand. It is linked up with the order property, but the numbers are the number of digits or numbers are more. Okay, यहाँ पर क्या है? जो more number of digits होंगे, that means if there is a number having more digits, ऐसा हो सकता है कोई बड़ा नंबर हो, छोटा नंबर हो, और maybe number of numbers. Yes, number of numbers. Okay, यहाँ पर जो आपके numbers है, it can be 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, whatever, कितने भी हो सकते हैं. So answer आपका same आएगा. I hope you understand. Okay, now the last property is property of 1. Yes, अभी confuse मत होना. There is a property of 1 in addition and also multiplication. Multiplication में 1 में number itself आता है. किसी भी number को 2 को 1 से multiply करोगे, you will get the 2. वहां पर भी 1 की property है, but that is different. But here is there is also property of 1. Addition में भी property of 1 है. And the property of 1 is, अरे क्या पांच? Okay, that is also simple, and that is what? If 1 is added in any number, okay, if the 1 is added in any number, you will get the successor of that number. Yes, suppose you have a number 5 and you are adding 1. So what will happen? The next number will come, and the next number is successor of that number. So that is the property of 1. So dear students, in this video we have learned the properties of addition and the addition facts. So always remember, if you are adding the two numbers, okay, अगर आप किसी numbers को add कर रहे हो, so that numbers are called as the addends, and the answer, that is the result of addition. Result of addition is called sum. Okay. Then we have learned the order property. If the order of number is changed under the addition, sum will remain same. Answer को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Then we have learned the additive identity, which is 0. That means if you are adding 0 in any number, the sum is number itself. The identity of number is not changing after the addition. Addition करने के बाद भी identity as it is. जैसा पहले था वैसा का वैसा है. Okay. Then we have learned the associative property, that is the grouping property. Okay. द ऑर्डर प्रॉपर्टी एंड द ग्रुपिंग प्रॉपर्टी इज सेम, थोड़ा सा सेम, बस चेंज एक ही चीज का है, एंड दैट इज हियर द मोर नंबर्स, हियर आर मोर नंबर्स, देयर इज ओनली 2 numbers. Okay, it is applying on 3 or more numbers. Okay, if the 3 or more numbers are there and you are adding and you are changing the group, the sum is remains same. And the last is property of 1, and that is if you will add the 1 in any number, you will get the successor of that number. Okay, so I hope you understand about the topic. If you have any queries regarding the topic, you can message me on WhatsApp. Okay, I will try to solve your questions. And thank you so much for watching the video up till now. Have a good day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.